Today we're making LimeAde, an awesome alternative to lemonade that I really enjoy as a cold drink. We're also going to make some easy cocktails that you can have for you and your friends.
Hi friends, today we are making LimeAde, great citrus drink that you can have on its own and also use as a base for some fruit-based cocktails. So let's get started. We're going to start our project by preparing some lime juice. We're going to cut up the fresh limes and use this lime squeezer, a tool that I recommend for anyone's kitchen. Alright, so what we got here is fresh cold water. This was the lime juice. You can do fresh squeeze, or if you want, go ahead and use bottled, not a problem. This is sugar or sugar substitute. Then I have some kosher salt here. And then I have a cup of hot water. Okay, we're gonna take the sugar or sugar substitute, put it into this mixing bowl. My kosher salt here. Okay, now I'm going to pour in the hot water. Okay, and we want to mix it and dilute it. Splashing around. Alright, so I have my pitcher or bottle that I'm going to put in the fridge. I'm going to pour in the lime juice. Okay, now we're going to pour in that dissolved sugar or sugar substitute along with a little bit of salt. And now we're going to fill with some fresh, cool water. Okay, we're going to give it a good shake. And we're going to put it in the fridge. Alright, now this is my preferred way to have a LimeAde. I'm going to wet the rim of the glass and I'm going to salt it, and the way I like it is just chilled LimeAde with the salted rim, and it hits like a virgin margarita. Our first cocktail features the fresh, zesty taste of ginger. We're going to take our fresh ginger root and grate it on a microplane here and get about 2 teaspoons of grated ginger that we'll put into the mixing tin. Then we'll take our ice and mix it with our shot of preferred liquor, and then we're going to top it with our LimeAde that we made. We're going to put it into our tin and close it off. Alright, and we shake. And pour. This one's an easy option for your guest that wants a slightly sweeter drink. We're going to start with ice and the liquor of your choice. We're gonna add some pineapple juice, about halfway there, and we're gonna finish with our limeade. Give it a slight stir to mix all the ingredients together, and you got a really simple, sweet tasting, slightly tart cocktail. Finally, we have the Naked Margarita. It's a stripped down version of the classic drink. Instead of using an orange liqueur, we're just going to use fresh ingredients. We're going to pour in our tequila and cut half an orange and squeeze it into the glass. Next, we're going to add in our ice. And finally, we're going to use our limeade to fill it to the top. We'll put it into our shaker tin. And we're good to go.
Had to go to?
I did, yeah. All of a sudden.